All right, I'm going to start this up so you can hear it. There is 1, 2, 3 broken bolts for the exhaust manifold, and there's actually an exhaust leak right here. So we'll start that up so you can hear that. Ended up getting some of these bolt biters by Gear Wrench. They're basically twist sockets. That's probably a reason why they don't call them twist sockets, but we're gonna try these out. I'm not sponsored by Gear Wrench, so that's a 13mm bolt. So let's try the 13, see if it works well. I've used twist sockets before and they work really good in most cases. Not all the time, but we'll give these a try. And you can do these by hand or with an impact. So that's kind of nice. So let's give it a try with an impact. See if I can get this off. There we go. Got one. That was easy. Let's get the other two. Oh, that one's a little too small. Let's try this one. That doesn't want to go either. Let's see if this works. There we go. So the 12mm worked on this one. Alright, let's try the 11. See if that works. There we go. Got it. It's pretty sweet. There we go. There it is. Although the exhaust ports are all covered up with some electrical tape, I put a rag in the exhaust where the converter goes. I don't want anything falling in there as well. And now I'm just gonna soak these down with some rust penetrant, let it sit for a while. There we go, just soak them down. I'm using PB Blaster. I'm gonna start with this one right here. Luckily it did not break flush. So that one's nice and easy to start with. So let's give these a try. I'm just gonna take a punch and just give it a couple taps just to loosen it up a little bit. Try the 8mm one, see if that fits. So that's too big. Let's try the 7 mil. Just tap it on. I'm going to start out by doing this by hand, not using an impact. And I got it to loosen up. It's a good sign. And there we go. That's how I replace the exhaust manifolds on a Chevy Silverado, how I get the broken bolts out. If they broke off flush, I would have had to weld them, but I didn't have to do that. So I hope this helped you out if you're doing this job. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. That helps me out, and give me a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks. Look at that, no ticking. Alright, so I've used a lot of rust penetrant on this for a couple days, and well, that kind of stinks. It just broke off right there. That's not good.